let's see here. See, so there's some tantalum capacitors, actually quite a few. Lots of monolithic. I find Xbox stuff has a lot of monolithic capacitors. You have IC chips, so it's a pretty decent board. So let's try to open this thing, see what we can get out of it. So, have a nice little aluminum heatsink. We got the processor, or I think it's the processor. Someone with more knowledge on with more knowledge on these guys would be able to answer that for sure. So it's being a little tough. I'm sure there's another IC chip in there too, so there you go. So this is the GPU. So we have the CPU, we have the GPU, and copper bearing motor, aluminum. This I'm pretty sure would be considered a peripheral board, like the PS3, Xbox 360 boards, all those. At least after doing some research, that's what I found out, that board sort pays for these. So there you go, some more tantalum. I don't think there's a lot of gold. There's connector here, there's gold in here. There's probably gold pins here. Definitely gold pins in there. That's about it for that. Then there's the the controller ports. The last time I had one of these, actually that was one that was working. I was able to have one that was working somewhat, so I was able to test it a little bit. I was able to sell these, I think, for about $5 profit. So I think I might have sold them for like $8 or something, free shipping. And there's definitely gold in here. Obviously some wire, but these are good to hold on to. So pretty much taking this apart, let's get the fan out.